Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shaflinda Rosa, and today we're going to talk about the differences between discourse analysis and pragmatics. So, guys, um, for the previous study, for the previous semester, we have learned about semantic and pragmatic, right? So, in this semester, we learn about discourse. So discourse is about we learn how language use, and we can we can find what is the structure of one sentences, and then of the one sentence, how language in use. We learn about that in this course. While in this pragmatic, we learn about the meaning of the sentence, the literal meaning of the sentence. While discourse analysis, we learn about how language use and what's the structure behind the sentence. And the pragmatic, we learn about what is the meaning of the sentence, the structure and the meaning of the sentence. Before we learn about the structure, we learn about the meaning of the sentence so that we can find the structure of the words of the sentence. And then we learn about syntax. What's the difference? The differences between syntax, pragmatics, and also syntax, semantic, and pragmatic. In syntax, we learned about the grammar rules. We can find what is the structure can make the sentence. Like we can make how to make a sentence incorrectly. We learn about the rules, we learn about the structure also, and also we learn about how to use words in the good way in syntax. While in the semantic, we learn about the meaning. Actually, semantic and pragmatic, we learn about the meaning of the sentence, but semantic, we learn about the literal meaning of the sentence. While in pragmatics, we learn about what is the meaning behind the context. What is the meaning behind the sentence? It depends on the context. We learn about the meanings in literal meanings. It's semantic, and pragmatic we learn about the meaning also, but we have to see the context so that we can define what is the meaning of one sentence. And after that, we learn about context and context. Context is what is happening in one situation when speakers say something. Context is what is happening, the location, the background knowledge, and the situation when we talk each other. And context is the previous phrase or the previous words. So we can connect the meaning. We can see the previous context and also the context. In context, there are the previous what do we say? We learn about the meaning, and depends on the context. Context means situations and what is happening. So if we couldn't define what is the meaning behind these words, we can see the previous context, and we call it as context. Like for example, we say, I'm full. So it means I cannot eat more than one food. It because before that I have eaten, right? I have ate. So that it makes me full. Behind the I'm full, there are the it means I have eaten more food, and I cannot eat one more. So like that. Context is previous one, and context is in these situations. So yeah, like that. And then we learn about limitation and also speech acts. Speech act is language is action. Let's make it clear. Speech acts is when we request something, when we say something. Speech acts like an action. What do we call? We do something in this word in one sentence. Requesting, promising, demanding, I think so. Yes. And in limitation, we focus on the speakers, not in the listener, because on the speaker we can analyze what's the meaning behind the word, what is the meaning, what is she want to me to do, what is she wants, what is the bigger knowledge, so that we have to focus on the speaker, not from the listener, because from the listener we have to define, we have to analyze what is the meaning behind the word that she speak, that she shared for us, and like that. So basically in this material we learn about what's the difference between syntax, semantic, pragmatic, and also discourse analysis, and what is the speech act, what is the limitation, what is the context, what is the context. Context and context make us can more understand, can easier to understand on the one sentences, on the one sentence, in the one sentence, I mean. And the limitation is about we focus on the speaker. Speech act is a language in action, and discourse analysis we learn about how language in use, the structural, what is the how to make the language coherent each other and connect each others, so that we can understand the paragraph. And in this semantic and pragmatic we learn about the meaning of the word. Semantic we learn about the literal meaning, while in the pragmatics we learn about the meaning of the words, but it depends on the context. Context, it means the situation, the background knowledge, the situations, and what is happening when we speak each other. Or not, actually not speak each other, but the environment, what do we call the environment, the I think the situations. Context is situation. I think that's all from me. Thank you for listening and watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.